The subject of today's video is how to start an affiliate marketing business. Hello, my name is Don Novak, and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. I'm a student of John Crestani, Devin Brown, and Anthony Morrison, and I want to pass on to you what works for me and what does not. Well, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing involves earning a commission from 5 to 50% of the sales price by promoting a product or service made by another retailer or advertiser. It is a monetization model where you, as an affiliate partner, is paid a commission for providing a specific result to the retailer or advertiser you are selling for. Typically, the result is a sale, but some programs can reward you for leads, free trial users, clicks to a website, or getting downloads for an app. Affiliate programs are usually free to join, so you don't have to worry about high startup costs. However, beware of any affiliate programs that charge you to join. Now, first out of the gate, get some good coaching. This is a highly detailed, not difficult, but there's a lot of ins and outs and tips and tricks. So get some good coaching from a well-known and already hugely successful affiliate marketing teacher like Anthony Morrison. His link is below this video. Now, a good coach will save you a ton of time, keep you from making costly mistakes, keep you on the right track, and get you up and started a lot quicker and get you making money a lot quicker. Now, how do you start? Sell what you know. To start, you should stick to selling products or services that you're familiar with. Online marketers call this process picking your niche. You should select a niche that represents your current interest or your occupation. For example, if you're an expert in interior decorating, it makes more sense to sell comforter sets than it does to sell automotive parts. You'll do a much better job with marketing efforts if you stick to what you know. Now, if you get a coach, that coach will sometimes lead you to a niche that they can rocket your sales with. So trust your coach and let them take you to a niche that they know is working and they can make money for you. Now, start with a website or join ClickFunnels and create content relative to your niche. Before becoming an affiliate, many companies will want to know the URL of the website that you use to sell their products. They do this because they want to ensure that the content on the website, on your website, won't hurt their company's reputation. Now, it's easy to start a website these days thanks to sites like WordPress.com or Bluehost.com. Be sure to add content to your website that isn't salesy. Instead, you want your site to come across as an authority in your niche. Research affiliate programs. Find an affiliate program that offers products or services in your niche. Amazon sells just about everything, so your niche likely includes products sold on Amazon. That's an excellent place to start if you're looking to get into affiliate marketing. Commission Junction is another great option because it allows you to become an affiliate for countless companies you already know about. Overstock.com, Office Depot, Boscov's, and many others. ClickBank Marketplace is a great option that many affiliate marketers like. That's because the commissions from companies on that site can be very lucrative. I use ClickBank Marketplace and I highly recommend it. Other affiliate marketplace offers can be found at affiliatefuture.com, avantlink.com, that's AVANT link.com, flexoffers.com, linkconnector.com, revenuewire.com and shareasale.com. Join an affiliate program. It's almost always free of charge to join an affiliate program. In fact, if you're being asked for a credit card number just to become an affiliate, you might be getting scammed. Most reputable companies that offer affiliate programs allow people to become affiliates for free. You will, however, be asked for a bank account or PayPal information. Keep in mind, that's not so that the company can take money away from you, but so that they can pay you the commission you earn with successful sales. Another way to get paid, of course, is through ClickBank, and your affiliate might want you to open up a ClickBank account, which is a good thing as well. Now, you'll be asked for the URL of your website in most cases. Just provide the URL of the website that you created through, like WordPress or Bluehost or whatever. Start easy, start slow, start with one product and get to the point of positive revenue income. Then expand your business one product at a time. Now, the threshold for whether your product is working or not is normally 1,200 clicks. If you're running a product or service through Google Ads and you get to the point where Google Ads has gotten you 1,200 clicks and you're in the negative or you haven't made any money at all, you need to completely revamp that product. Change all the headlines, change the product description, change everything, or dump it and go on to another offer, another product or service. Your business is likely to do one or two things: expand or contract. That's why you should always be striving for growth. Otherwise, your business will shrink and provide you with diminishing returns. Look for new products that you think you can market online. Browse through various affiliate sites. Look for new businesses that have recently become affiliates. And if they're offering something you think you can market well, partner up with them. Promote your business constantly online. Use social media like Facebook, email blast autoresponders like GetResponse or Aweber, a blog that you can also do through Bluehost or WordPress, and other channels to promote your business so that people keep coming back and looking for great deals on products and services that you're marketing. Now, I'm enrolled in the Partner with Anthony training system, and my coach is Anthony Morrison, who is a giant in the online marketing business. And he has the dollar numbers and the ClickFunnels $2 million awards to prove it. Plus, Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers. Anthony Morrison's complete affiliate marketing video training is a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that are the best and most up-to-date videos on the market. No internet stone is left unturned. And he also offers personal one-on-one coaching over the phone. Now, to get this world-class training from Anthony Morrison, click on the link below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary. Your comments are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please click on the subscribe button below, or you can see my face somewhere here. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you next week with a new video to your continued affiliate marketing success.